Samuel Adams was a key figure in the American Revolution, known for his passionate advocacy for independence and his role as a leader in the fight against British tyranny. Born on September 27, 1722, in Boston, Massachusetts, Adams was the son of a successful brewer and a member of a prominent New England family. His early life and education laid the foundation for his future as a revolutionary leader and a founding father of the United States. Adams attended Harvard College, where he graduated in 1743. Initially, he pursued a career in business, but his true passion lay in politics and public service. He became increasingly involved in the political landscape of colonial Massachusetts, where he began to express his opposition to British rule. Adams was deeply influenced by Enlightenment ideas, particularly those concerning liberty, democracy, and the rights of individuals. These principles would guide his actions throughout his life. Adams's political activism began in earnest in the 1760s, as tensions between the American colonies and Britain escalated. He was a vocal opponent of the Stamp Act of 1765, which imposed taxes on printed materials in the colonies. Adams helped organize protests and boycotts against British goods, rallying support among his fellow colonists. His ability to mobilize public opinion made him a prominent figure in the growing resistance movement. In 1765, Adams became a founding member of the Sons of Liberty, a secret organization dedicated to opposing British oppression. The Sons of Liberty played a crucial role in organizing protests, including the famous Boston Tea Party in 1773, which Adams helped orchestrate. This act of defiance against the Tea Act, which granted the British East India Company a monopoly on tea sales in the colonies, involved colonists disguising themselves as Native Americans and dumping 342 chests of tea into Boston Harbor. The Boston Tea Party was a pivotal moment in the lead-up to the American Revolution, demonstrating the colonists' willingness to take direct action against British authority. As tensions continued to rise, Adams was elected as a delegate to the First Continental Congress in 1774. He was a strong advocate for colonial rights and independence, arguing that the colonies should unite against British oppression. Adams's persuasive speeches and writings helped to galvanize support for the revolutionary cause. In 1776, as the call for independence grew louder, Adams played a significant role in drafting the Declaration of Independence. He worked closely with other founding fathers, including Thomas Jefferson and John Hancock, to articulate the colony's grievances against King George III and to declare their intention to break free from British rule. The Declaration, adopted on July 4, 1776, became a symbol of American liberty and a foundational document for the new nation. After the successful conclusion of the Revolutionary War, Adams continued to serve his country in various capacities. He was a member of the Massachusetts state legislature and later served as the state's governor. Adams was a strong advocate for the principles of republicanism and individual rights, believing that the government should be accountable to the people. Despite his significant contributions, Adams faced challenges in the post-revolutionary period. He was a staunch opponent of the Federalist Party and their push for a strong central government, fearing it would undermine the liberties won during the Revolution. Adams believed in a more decentralized government that would empower the states and protect individual freedoms. Samuel Adams's legacy is one of courage, conviction, and unwavering commitment to the cause of liberty. He is often referred to as the "father of the American Revolution," for his instrumental role in mobilizing public support for independence and his contributions to the founding of the United States. His writings and speeches continue to inspire those who advocate for freedom and democracy. Adams's belief in the power of grassroots activism and the importance of civic engagement remains relevant today. His life serves as a reminder that ordinary citizens can affect change through collective action and determination. If you are inspired by Samuel Adams's story and want to learn more about his contributions to American history, check the description for a link to valuable homeschool materials that delve deeper into his life and ideas. We also encourage you to comment below with your thoughts on Adams's legacy or any questions you may have. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this content with others who may be interested in learning about Samuel Adams and the American Revolution.